Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. Today I wanted to bring you a quick overview of the competition for Google Ads in the Tampa Bay region of Florida in the detailing niche. If you enjoy this video or you have another city and or niche that you'd like to see me do a video similar to this, please drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you. In this niche, you can see that in the 24 hours when I ran this, there was quite a few advertisers in this space. So at 5 o'clock, there were 12 advertisers running for the keywords that I targeted in the region that I targeted. The region that I targeted was Tampa, St. Petersburg, Clearwater, and Lakeland to give a true picture of the entire region in Tampa and the Tampa area. So you can see at its peak, there were up to 17 advertisers at a time advertising in the space in that niche and in that location. The keywords that I targeted were auto detailing near me, car detailing near me, detailing near me, mobile auto detailing near me, mobile detailing near me, mobile car detailing near me. You can see that auto detailing near me was the most often used keyword phrase, with car detailing near me coming in a close second. I also wanted to see what the mobile detailing search volume was. So you can see in the overview that we had 31 total competitors. Let's look at who the advertisers were. Search competition, you can see, is quite heavy. And you can see is weighted towards the top 5 or 6 advertisers. We'll walk through those very quickly. I'll sort this by ad count and look at the ones with the most number of ads during this period. The first advertiser that you can see is Detailing Tampa Bay. They are a local advertiser. If you look at their ads, you can see that they do offer. They have numbers in their ads, which is very good. They have a call to action, call now. And they have a reasonably good set of ads, very similar. You can see that they're using some extensions in here as well. Now let's see what their landing page looks like. It is a bit of a dated website. It appears to be their website. And it is a bit dated, but they are the #1 advertiser in the local space. Let's look at someone else in the top here. Get Spiffy. Get Spiffy is actually an app that you can download and then get pricing for auto detailing. So if you look at Get Spiffy, they're trying to get you to download an app. And this would appear to be not a local campaign, but a national campaign designed to get people to download the app and then use the app in order to find detailers. AAM Detailing has some ads that are using extensions, as you can see. Nothing particular, no offers that I could see in the ads. Affordable mobile detailing comes to you, and I believe that we'll find that this is a national advertiser, not a local advertiser. You can schedule now, which will take you to a calendar. They do offer pricing. Some of the elements that I look for on a landing page is, do they have a form and do they have a phone number? They apparently are not looking for that type of engagement. If you go back and look at the next in the top 5, You've got mobile detailing pros. Let's look at their ads. Same day appointment. They're using quite a few extensions here. Same day appointment, we come to you, mobile detailing pros. Similar ad copy throughout. They do appear to be a local company. They do have a pop-up that shows there. I do believe they're local. It's possible that they are not top. Locations. Perhaps it is a company with multiple locations. I point this out because it's important to know that when you run your ads, you're not just up against local detailers. You're up against people running ads for apps, national detailers, as well as local detailers. This appears to be a local detailer based on their URL. They have a nice ad copy with a number 1 used here that grabs attention, and offer here. Let's see what their landing page looks like. A bit dated, no form. They do have an email for fast quote, no phone number. They do have some offer packages and things, and they do have a booking option here. So I just wanted to give you an overview of the Tampa Bay area in the auto detailing niche.